Introducing the Mega Hornet 1000, a heavy-duty CNC profile cutting system that sets a new standard for accuracy, power, and reliability. Designed for the toughest environments, it delivers decades of dependable service in shipyards, service centers, and industrial manufacturing. The machine's operator station includes the Edge Pro CNC control and a 6-station operator panel, powered by Fenix Motion software, intuitive, powerful, and built for speed. This panel supports up to 3 tools and 6 carriages, giving you the flexibility to handle complex jobs. A rotating control panel ensures easy access from any angle, and a USB port makes file transfers simple. Hypertherm CNC controls bring built-in cutting expertise, while the optional plasma contour bevel system enables 360-degree bevel cuts up to 45 degrees, ideal for weld prep and complex profiles. With rapid part technology, you can boost output by up to 100% more parts per hour, getting more done with less downtime. Heavy-duty AC servo motors and triple-machined, floor-mounted rails deliver smooth, precise motion built to last. Hypertherm's true-hole technology, optimized consumable life, and remote help tools come standard, making every cut clean, fast, and cost-effective. A helical gear rack ensures precise movement under load, while protected cable routing reduces wear and boosts uptime. Integrated crosshair laser and plasma marking tools let you label, mark, and score directly on material. And we back you with full remote diagnostics, on-site installation, and hands-on training, because uptime is everything. You'll see reduced setup time, less scrap, and a lower cost per part, all while increasing productivity. With true hole quality, bolt-ready holes are automatic. And our AeroCan Zone downdraft cutting tables with fume extraction ensure a clean, safe workspace with every turnkey system. Hornet Cutting Systems. Built rigid. Runs clean. Works hard.